Hi, if you're like most website owners, you don't just need a website, you need an actual plan that leads to getting your phone to ring, and you need that to happen now. Most website owners have really old websites that they need to upgrade, or they just want to get another website. Maybe they want to dump the old one because it's not making them any sales, or even if it is making them some sales, like say 3 sales a week, they want to get a second website going too. Maybe that one will make them 6 sales a week. Well, together that's 9 sales a week. Don't throw away an old website if you don't need to. If it's making you any sales, keep it. Let's get you a second website. In case you're wondering if that's okay, it's definitely okay. All your competitors do it. Now, here's the point. We can get you a website right now within a couple of minutes. And this is a top quality website. Those of you that know the terms, it's HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap enabled, mobile ready, HTML validated, page speed maximized. Everything's done to make this website top quality so that Google loves it. And that way, when visitors come, they're going to love it too. So then, once the website is done and in place, then what? Talk to us about AdWords. We know all about AdWords campaigns, and we can get other guys doing AdWords campaigns for you, and then they'll just do it for part of the profit. Imagine that. How would you like it if you didn't have to pay for AdWords at all? You let other people take on the entire financial risk so you don't need to sweat it. And then you just simply are going to pay them part of the profits that you make from their actions, which, by the way, has nothing to do with everything else you do for business. If you're handing out cards, you don't owe us any money for hours. That's an optional program. You can choose to do it or not do it. Whole point is, we're going to break all this down for you. And so I just want to walk through these tabs real fast and then leave you with the video on this page. Here we go.